Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, guys, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, guys. So if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this daily energies. So let's see what are these cards. It's Ace of Wands in reverse, 10 of Wands and Knight of Swords in reverse. So in your situation today, Aquarius, you have a lot of burdens on your shoulders, maybe in your career or in your life in general. Some difficulties, and you are making lot of efforts and you are struggling to make certain things right, guys. And maybe for some of you there is a person competing with you, trying their best. They are giving you lot of struggle or lot of stress today because they are putting in lot of efforts, trying to overcome you or grab your opportunities. So this person is not to be trusted. It may be someone in your career situation, so you need to be really careful, guys. And you are seeing growth in your situation, guys. Maybe in your career you are seeing some improvements. Things are a bit better, but you are making lot of efforts. You are struggling really hard. So it may be in your career again, or in your personal life. You may have that a person you love with you. You may have understanding to a certain extent, but there are lots of things you need to take care of in this connection. There are many burdens. You are making lots of sacrifices and lots of trials you are facing today for this connection, guys, for this love. So you are putting in tremendous efforts today, Aquarius. So this connection is what to say, it is using all your time and energy, and maybe you have that true love on this person. That may be the reason you are ready to put in so much effort, spend so much time and energy for this connection, guys, Aquarius. So this relationship is there, but you may be facing lot of difficulties because of that, but still you are in this connection because all you have for this person is that unconditional love, that true love. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. True love is what to say, is overcoming all that pain or struggles you are facing today for this person, for this connection, guys. So that is the reading, Aquarius, with these cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys. Maybe today in this connection, you have this may be your energy or this person's energy. So that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow what to say, making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person, you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection, there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of water, magician, and hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts, not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.